Hey guys, so quick video on how you're gonna connect your HDMI Alienware monitor with your MacBook. So it's super simple. So from the back of the monitor, you're gonna have the HDMI port there. And what you need to do is that when you're gonna MacBook, and primarily you're not going to find the HDMI port. I don't know if you can actually find the HDMI port on your MacBook, but if you're not going to find it, then you need to have adapter. So either adapter or you need to have a dock station. So you're gonna need an HDMI to Thunderbolt adapter, and just look for the adapter for your MacBook that you have, and you're just gonna use it if you're the Thunderbolt, or you can have HDMI to USB-C, let's say like this. And look, this is the same thing. So if your MacBook got the USB-C adapter, you can use and try this one here. So you can use the adapter and with the HDMI cable from Alienware, and then just connect it to your MacBook with USB-C. So that's it.